So if you want to know exactly why the legacy enterprise software dashboard is dead, look no further than Ramp. The fintech giant has secured a $44 billion valuation after a massive $750 million raise. But they did not achieve this by simply building a better user interface. Ramp achieved it by building autonomous AI agents that actually execute complex financial tasks. Ramp is actually deploying agents that act as procurement officers and accountants, boasting a 99% accuracy rate that actively outperforms human workers. But here is where the story shifts from a Silicon Valley victory lap to a very massive global shakeup. What Ramp is doing at the enterprise level is actually triggering a direct shockwave across the global outsourcing market, specifically in India. Why is that? Well, that's because for decades, Indian IT giants built massive empires on business process outsourcing, basic software testing, and back office operations. Now, those exact entry-level and mid-level roles are the primary targets of agentic AI. The data we are seeing in 2026 is already reflecting this very shift. Active tech jobs openings in India recently hit a 28-month low. Fresher hiring in the Indian IT sector has plummeted by 80% from its peak just a few years ago. Major firms are laying off tens of thousands of workers, explicitly citing AI-driven automation as the primary cause. So when a company like Ramp uses an internal AI tool to write over 2/3 of its own code base, the enterprise demand for outsourced junior developers vanishes almost overnight. So this is no longer a future prediction. It is a structural market shift which is taking place right now. The $44 billion valuation, premium, which is placed on Ramp proves that the market heavily rewards companies that replace human operational overhead with autonomous action-taking software. Now for developers and tech professionals, the sign is crystal clear. The era of maintaining legacy systems and doing repetitive coding is now starting to end. You either build the agents or you get replaced by them. And here, of course, is the front page take. So if you are working in deep tech or navigating this transition, I really want to hear your perspective. How is agentic AI changing the product roadmap or team structure at your company? What are your thoughts? Do you feel that this constant buzzword which is used all the time, which is upskilling, is something which is truly relevant in today's day and age? Well, at least the numbers seem to showcase that. The fact that a lot of jobs are honestly at risk. How is it that you are contending with this? How is it that we at Front Page can help you probably navigate this entire turbulent phase in your lives right now? Please do let us know in the comments below. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the IIM Network. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think IIM.